In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a broccoli and Stilton soup in a soup maker. Not only has it got Stilton cheese blended through it, I've also crumbled some on top before serving it. So there aren't too many ingredients needed, just a few extras aside from the broccoli and Stilton. I like to add a potato to thicken it up a little. I just chop it up after washing it. There's no need to peel it, the soup maker will cook and blend it up really smooth so you won't even realise the skin is there. Next, peel and quarter the onion before adding it directly into the soup maker jug together with 2 cloves of garlic. Secure the lid on the jug and then press the chop function. Once they've been chopped up, it's time to add the chopped potatoes and then chop and add the broccoli. It's good to add as much of the broccoli as you can, including the stalk. Just chop it up and add it all in. The soup maker will cook and blend it up so that it is really smooth. So squeeze as much of the broccoli in as you can, breaking it up and squashing it down. Next, add the stock. You can either add the powder or cube directly to the jug, or you can make it up separately. I tend to add it directly and then pour hot water in. I move the ingredients about a little bit so that the water can drain down to the bottom and I can then fit more in. Next, add any seasoning. I like to add a little bit of ground black pepper. And then put the lid on and set it off on the smooth setting. At the end of the soup maker cycle, carefully take the lid off and then crumble in some Stilton cheese. I use around 100 grams, depending on how much I've got available. You can of course use more or less, depending on how cheesy you like it. So I like to get the soup maker to blend it all in, so I put the lid back on and just blend for a really short amount of time. Then take the lid off again and you're ready to pour the soup into bowls and serve it. You can crumble a little bit more Stilton on top if you want to, as well as any extra seasonings. I hope you've enjoyed this broccoli and Stilton soup in the soup maker. Please let me know in the comments what you think, and don't forget to check out Liana's kitchen for more soup maker recipes. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.